There's the site right there of the old Mill River Dam. And that's where we're going to start today's episode. So we're up at the headwaters of the Mill River right here. The site of the great dam that had been built back around the time of the American Civil War. The dam that was breached by high water in 1874 and caused the largest American dam disaster up to that point, though eclipsed a few years later in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Hank.
So the Mill River was at one point, in the height of the American Industrial Revolution, the home to 15 mills. It plunges 700 feet